South Korea's producer prices rose once more in October due to surging prices of oil and raw materials. The index has been rising for 12 straight months and saw new highs for 7 months in a row. Suk-hyen starts us off.
South Korea's producer prices hit a record high in October, climbing for a 12th consecutive month. According to the Bank of Korea on Friday, the producer price index stood at 112, up 0.8% from the previous month. Compared with a year earlier, the reading is up 8.9%, the biggest increase in 13 years. High figures in the index suggest that future inflation could be high. Now the question is, why are prices rising?
The 0.8% on-month hike in producer prices last month was due to rising raw material and global oil prices, particularly the price of Dubai crude, which rebounded in October.
Prices of industrial goods gained 1.8% in October from a month earlier. They've been rising for more than a year. In particular, coal and petroleum products soared 12.6%, while primary metals and chemicals climbed 2.5% and 1.7% respectively. Electricity and gas prices also rose 2.9% on month as crude oil prices have been on the rise. Meanwhile, farm and fishery product prices fell 4.7% on month, with agricultural, livestock and fishery goods all seeing a price drop from more supplies. Going forward, the central bank expects the producer price index for November to drop as the cost of oil and raw materials are slowing down. Experts agree that there could be a temporary fall, but say inflationary pressures will persist.
Because global oil prices have fallen since October 25th by about 7%, for the next month or two, perhaps we will see some respite, but I expect the general trend of higher inflation to continue until the bottleneck ends.
Amid those inflationary concerns, all eyes are now on whether the Bank of Korea will raise the benchmark interest rate next week during its monetary policy meeting on Thursday. Early in August, the BOK raised the rate to 0.75% from the previous record low of 0.5%. Industry watchers say that a rate hike could come this year to curb soaring prices. Suk-hyen, Arirang News.